Mastering Python. Regular expressions involves understanding intermediate patterns and special characters. Meta characters like dot, asterisk, and question mark enable complex pattern matching, while groups and character classes enhance text processing. These techniques allow for sophisticated string manipulation, crucial for tasks like data validation, parsing, and transformation in Python. Regular expressions are crucial for intermediate Python developers, offering advanced text processing beyond basic string operations. The re module in Python provides powerful tools for implementing these expressions, allowing for efficient pattern matching, searching, splitting, and replacing within strings. Mastering these techniques is essential for sophisticated string manipulation and data analysis. Regular expressions are specialized sequences of characters defining search patterns. They perform core operations, matching patterns, searching occurrences, splitting strings by delimiters, and replacing matched patterns. Python's re module offers comprehensive regular expression functionality, enabling both simple and advanced pattern matching with excellent performance. Regular expressions in Python offer advanced text processing capabilities, surpassing basic string methods. They validate patterns for user inputs and data structures, ensuring data quality. Regular expressions are crucial for data transformation, extracting structured information, and cleaning datasets. In production, it's vital for web scraping, log analysis, and natural language processing, leveraging finite automata theory for efficient pattern specification. Import the re module to leverage Python's powerful RegEx capabilities. Key functions include redot, match open parenthesis, left bracket for start of string checks, redot search open parenthesis, left bracket for finding first occurrences, redot find all, open parenthesis, left bracket for listing all matches, redot sub for replacements, and redot compile for pattern reuse. For example, use redot search to locate an email in text, demonstrating RegEx's practical application.